Hey guys, um, it's Maxie. Uh, I know that this is supposed to be day three of Tenerife, but the thing is, the file got corrupted, which is really annoying, and I'm so sorry about that. I'm gonna try and keep fixing it, but I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix it, but I don't know what I can do. It's all got corrupted, and none of it's working. I tried posting it anyway, but it just comes up with like a video that's just not watchable. So I don't know. I'll keep trying, but that's really annoying because we had a great day. Day three was Sunday, the 18th of March, I believe. Yeah, because we went on the 16th. Yeah, 17th, 18th. Yeah, it's the 18th of March, 2018, Sunday, and we had a great day. I'm just gonna talk about it here, just in case I can ever find it. I'll try and find at least some footage. If I can't fix it, if I can't find it, if I can't fix it, I mean, I'll keep trying, but like I said, there's no guarantees, so I'm really, really sorry about that. It's kind of upsetting, but what are you gonna do? Basically, I don't remember what we were wearing either. I remember Chloe was wearing a red dress with her little yin yang necklace on. Um, and we went to Aqualand on Sunday, and we went to there. We went on the rides, slides, sorry, like the water slides, which were cool. Some of them hurt a little bit, like they were okay. Um, we went on one that went like down and suddenly dropped, which was cool. I like that one. We went on like the two raft ones, which is really fun to go like with both of you. We couldn't use our GoPros, unfortunately. That wasn't allowed. Well, they're not GoPros, but you know what I mean. They're sort of like GoPros. Our cameras. Um, and yeah, so we went in the like we went on one down like a body mat slide, which I found really fun. Like I was scared to do it because I don't think I'd never gone down a slide like head first before, and I was really scared to do it, and I was like, oh my god. But like I did it. I did it. I asked him how the lifeguard, like, how do you sit on it properly? I know it seems like a dumb question, but like, when safety's involved, no question is dumb, okay? And he wouldn't tell me like how to sit on it properly, and he was like ignoring me. I was like, okay then, so I guess I'll just figure it out for myself. So I literally sat like down on it. I think like my neck was too far down, like I was too low to it to the mat, and my legs were like I was half falling off going down the slide. So that was fun. I was trying really hard to hold on. The other slide we went down, you like went round. You went down, it went really fast, and it like the water really whipped at your back, and it really hurt. I think Chloe actually, we discovered later on, actually got cut from that, which was like, oh my god, that's just ouch. Literally whipping you with the water. And you go down and you like plummet into like this big pool of water, and it's actually really deep. I did not expect it to be like as deep as it was, and you sort of like, hang on a minute, I can't like, I'm not the most confident of swimmers personally. I can swim, and I can swim in deep water, but it was just such a shock because I didn't realize it was going to be that deep. Hang on, my camera froze. Okay, it's good. Um, it was like a shock because I didn't realize it was going to be that deep, and all of a sudden it's just like, I need to swim out of here. I can't touch the ground. I don't know what I'm doing. So you sort of swam out of that. We stopped and like had some pizza, which was nice. A margarita. We shared one of those. That was really good. That was nice pizza. And she went and got some water, Chloe did. And then we went to like the like little beach. It was not a beach, but like the little one of the swimming pools. And we did have some awesome underwater footage, but yeah, that's lost. Sorry. I think Chloe's still got hers, so I might ask her if she hasn't like later if she can send me like her footage from this day somewhere because I did take her footage, but her footage might be the only stuff we have left because all my footage is gone. It all got corrupted, so maybe we can salvage some with hers. We'll see. And we went on like a lazy river ride as well, which was quite nice. That was quite fun. We were like pushing off from the walls, which was really cool. Like with our hands and our feet, and you could just see our little like feet marks on the wall. It's funny. It was really cool because we were sort of like making our own entertainment. It was a long lazy river as well. It was like going on about 14 minutes of footage or something like that by the time we got out of it. A lot. It was a long ride. It was really fun though. That was like a little waterfall, which was pretty. And then we went at 3:30. We sunbathed for a little bit because we were waiting because we wanted to go see the dolphin show there, which was amazing. Oh, I feel so sad that I lost all the footage for that. Again, gonna ask Chloe about that. See if she's got some of those. Chloe, if you're watching, I need your footage, please. When you've got time, transfer it all over, and like it's all gonna be her footage basically, and it's not gonna be the whole day, but at least you'll have something. So, yeah, I need your footage, baby, baby doe. Love you. I'm holding my camera so I can only do half a heart. Half a heart. Yeah, the dolphin show was so good. Like some guy he surfed a dolphin, which was so cool. And then like they had like a big line, sort of they like put like a line up about the size of a building, and like the dolphins were like jumping over, and they literally threw one of the dolphin trainers into the air. They threw it into the air over the line and caught on the other side, which was really cool. It was a really good show, and they came so close and they were so cute. We didn't get to like stroke them or anything, although we really, really wanted to. But yeah, we couldn't because we didn't pay for that. Though next time, I wish we had, but next time, definitely, definitely. If we had the money, we would have. Although it wasn't like €100 like extra to literally sit in the water with them for like 2 minutes, if that, get a picture and stroke the dolphin, which is very expensive, but we would have both loved to have done that. So there you go. And yeah, after Aqualand and the dolphin show, we went out and we went to the shopping mall, which wasn't that great as we thought it would be, but it was alright. It was just kind of like a shopping mall at home, really. The architecture was a little nicer, but there you go. Like, later on in the week, when Chloe thought she'd lost her necklace, it was like. What was I saying? Yeah, later on in the week, when like Chloe thought she'd lost her necklace, we figured out that that was the last day she had it on the Sunday. I'm not gonna tell you what happened because I don't want to spoil it, but like you'll see. It will always be explained. We just figured out that's part of what we didn't put in. We just figured out that was when she lost it. And you'll see what happened with that on the next few days of that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'm really sorry. I will try and get either what footage I can, and I will and put that up, and I will keep trying to fix it and see if I can fix it. If anyone knows how to fix it, like it's just gone all corrupted, like it's in Windows Movie Maker and it's like it's come up with like a triangle, like this file's gone corrupted, it won't play. You need to remove this file from the video, but every single file on it is like that. So for that day, for day 3. So if anyone knows anything about that, please let me know. Help, and I will try and fix it. I'm so sorry, but thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's not what you want. I know you want the day